Hello, Andrew is here again. How to use Amazon's gift card. What is the difference between ordering with Amazon Prime and if you order without Amazon Prime? What I will gonna do is I will take one of my saved orders. They are in my cart, under my cart, not in my cart but under my cart, because cart is empty. But here are my saved orders. And this order I will take because it's only 97 cents. And as you can see, I have been purchasing a lot earlier. So what will gonna happen if I will order this item right now is if I will put in a cart, and here you can see to qualify for free shipping I need to add $24 more here. So I switched my accounts and I will gonna do the same exactly what I did on the previous account. Here I will gonna click on my cart because I saved some items there, and here is the same item. I saved the same item, but you can see it already says Prime because I have Prime membership on this account. When I click on this one, it's very nice. It's already says that I have Prime here, and they are giving me extra saving because I wanted to cancel this Prime account, but they just bribed me, kind of like let me go another 30 days free trial. So what I will gonna do now is add to the cart. So it's in my cart, so I'm going to proceed checkout, and here is the address box, and just add new address. You click here and then you fill up your address, delivery address. I will gonna choose one of the addresses, just for example one of my previous addresses, just to show you how it goes, and I will use this address. So you can see here it's item and shipping and handling 000. It's just a small Amazon's tax comes here. Let me proceed with and continue. And now it's very simple. Now it goes, you see this one, gift card balance. So this is how you check out with the gift card balance. And here you can see that the Amazon's Prime delivery options are on Monday. If I will gonna check out in 4 hours and 4 minutes, it will be delivered on Monday without any cost for shipping and handling, which is amazing for Amazon's Prime account. So I just click place your order, and that's it. Thank you. Your order has been placed and shipped to one of my previous customers. They were gonna be happy about receiving the terminal protection pads. Let me show you how you can upload Amazon's gift card. That's very easy as well. Now you can go to your orders here and you can see the orders here. The tracking number will gonna be later on, not now, because now it's only in a process. Now the tracking number, when you click here, the tracking is not appearing here because it's still in a process. Most likely the tracking will gonna appear in 4 hours when they will ship it. Now to upload your Amazon's gift card balance, you just need to find where is says Amazon's gift. Header can be different for some of you, but anyway, it's somewhere under the find a gift maybe, or gift balance, and then you click on the Amazon's gift card and you can see I still have $3 here. Then you click reload your balance and you have all the card details below here, and then you just choose whatever amount you want to choose. I wouldn't recommend you to go for the new accounts with the 100 or 50. I always start and recommend to go with a very small amount, just to test account and just to test how it works. You can upload always more and more. Just upload $1 or something, or $10 here, and enter, and it says reload $10, and you can go and just click on the reload. That's all. Thank you. Your reload order is placed. You are gonna get confirmation on your email that your transaction has been completed. You go and check out your email, and later on you go back on your gift card balance and you check there should be $13. So I hope you notice the difference between Amazon's Prime and if you are using account without Amazon's Prime. And actually in a few minutes or maximum 5 minutes, if everything is okay, you just go back and check it out your balance, find the gift, and Amazon gift cards, and yes, the balance is uploaded here, and it's so quick and easy. You can use Amazon's gift card balance for your checkout every time you go and purchase something on Amazon. Thanks for watching and see you on the next videos. Take care, bye bye.